Flashing fire engines. Big, bold fire engines waiting day and night, ready for rescue or a blaming fire to fight. Ding, ding, dring, dring. As soon as there's a fire alarm, the engine starts to roar. The firefighters jump aboard, it rumbles out the door. Wee-oo, wee-oo. Watch the engine speeding on its daring dash. Hear its siren scream, see its bright light flash. In helmets, fireproof coats and trousers, boots so big and strong. The crew are dressed and ready as the engine zooms along. When the engine finds the fire, it quickly pulls up near. The crew jump out, unroll the hose, and get out all the gear. The hose has got a nozzle that shoots a jet of spray. It squirts right at the bottom. Right at the blazing flames and sizzles them away. The water tank is empty soon, so where can more be found? The engine's pump can pull it up from pipes below the ground. Whoosh! The fire is hot and roaring. It makes a lot of smoke. The firefighters put on masks, otherwise they had choke. The ladder rises upward. It reaches for the sky. A fire engine's ladder stretches up so very high. Sometimes there is a platform right up at the top. It waits beside the window, then into it you hope. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. At last, the fire's extinguished. The flames are all popped out. Plop, plop. Lower the ladder, roll the hose. Hooray! The fire's crew shout. Back inside the station, the crew can take a break. But the fire engine's ready and it's waiting wide awake.